I'm going to show you how to get broken makeup and make it almost new again. So what you're going to need is a paper towel to lay your makeup on. You're going to need a napkin or another paper towel, a spoon, and a little bit of water. So carefully open your makeup, fold your napkin, and then you're going to carefully put your broken powder in that napkin, and you are going to crush it up into tiny, tiny pieces, as small as you can get it. Then I want to wet the bottom of my pan just slightly, and I put too much water in here, so really what I just did is just dumped it out on my paper towel, spread around that water. Again, I had too much, so I dumped it out again. And then I put my shadow back into the pan, featuring my Thanksgiving burn on my arm. Okay, once you have that all in, I just pressed it down just lightly. Then you're going to get another napkin, make it small, and you're going to press down on the shadow for about a minute. And once you release, you pretty much have your shadow good as new. I just like to clean up my palette a little bit so I don't have fallout everywhere. And it's practically good as new. No need to throw away a broken palette.